Hello friends, here can I just see how to use the integer data type. So for that I just use press src, and after I just create a class here. I just give the class name that is program 08, and I just save it, and make sure that the class name and the file name should be same. And you can see that I just this is the total this is the integer data type, and its storage number is this one to this number, and this is the our program one, and this is the total output here, and here you can see that this one is our output here, and this number will be stored inside the my variable. So uh, we can here see that how we can store a value inside the variable here. So for that I just use that is int my number is equals to that number, and after that we just write system.out.println for our printing purpose, and before that I just declare the main method here. So I just write a public static void main, and inside it I just write string args, and after that I just write that for a printing purpose. So I just write sr system.out.println, and inside it I just write my variable name so that it can store value here, and when you use the string, you just write in a double quotation mark, and when you use the character you just use the single quotation mark here. After that I just compile it. So after compilation you just press Ctrl Shift F9. The compilation is going on, and after compilation you can see I just run the program. For that we just use Ctrl Shift F10, and here you can see that this is the output of the data, and here you can see that this is the total program here, and basically this is the our class name. This is the main method here, and I just write it here. So you can see it understood properly, and this is the our declaring a variable for value, and this is the integer data type, and here you just use my number, that is user defined variable, and the number 1000000 is the value here. So value will be stored inside the variable, and basically the system.out.println is for printing purpose, and this total is for our printing purpose, and this will be our variable which display the value here to the user, and this is for our printing the value. So for that we just use it, and this is the total output here. You can see that here, and this is the output here. I just write it so that you can see and understood what is going on.